You want to know what separates the winners from the quitters? It's not talent, it's not luck, it's how they think. Mentally strong people don't break when life pushes back. They don't fold when the pressure rises. They rewire their minds to find strength in struggle. While others panic, they plan. While others complain, they adapt. If you want to win in life, not just survive, but truly win, you need to learn how the strong think, how they move, how they rise. So before we dive in, drop a comment below. Where are you listening from? Who's out there building that unbreakable mind? Mental toughness isn't about being emotionless or acting like life doesn't hurt. It's about feeling the weight and still choosing to move forward. It's about standing tall in the middle of the storm. Mentally strong people aren't immune to pain. They've just trained themselves to not be controlled by it. When life punches them in the face, they don't ask, "Why me?" They ask, "What now?" They don't get stuck, they get stronger. It's not some magic mindset you're born with. It's built, it's forged. Just like muscles in the gym, your mind grows through resistance. Let's get real. Mentally strong people have a different default setting. They don't let emotions dictate their actions. They pause, they think, then they move. They don't dwell on the past. Pain might visit, but it doesn't get to unpack and live there. They don't waste time on things they can't control. Instead of focusing on what's broken, they focus on what's next. They take responsibility. No blame games, no victim mindset, just ownership. Raw, unapologetic ownership. Mentally strong people ask better questions. They don't say, "Why is this happening to me?" They say, "What is this trying to teach me?" So how do you develop this mindset? You rewire your brain through repetition, discipline, and intentional choices. Here's how. Watch your self-talk. What you say to yourself in the dark matters. Stop feeding your mind with "I can't." Start training it with "I will." Stress is your training ground. Every challenge is an opportunity to grow. Stop fearing the fire. Walk into it and let it refine you. Discipline greater than motivation. Motivation fades. Discipline is built. Mentally strong people show up even when they don't feel like it. Delay gratification. Winners play the long game. Mentally strong people can suffer now to win later. Get comfortable with discomfort. If you want real growth, you've got to lean into the things that scare you. Mentally strong people make hard look normal. Mental toughness is a lifestyle, not a moment. Wake up early, own your morning. The world is quiet when warriors train. Take cold showers. Sounds crazy? Do it anyway. It builds discipline. Say no more often. Boundaries protect your peace. Read daily. Grow your mind like it's your most valuable asset, because it is. Surround yourself with fire. Mentally strong people don't hang with excuses. They roll with elevation. You become what you tolerate, in yourself and in others. A warrior doesn't wait for the perfect moment. They move through the chaos. A warrior doesn't fear failure. They use it as fuel. A warrior doesn't need applause. Their validation comes from within. To think like a warrior, ask yourself daily, what would the strongest version of me do right now? What am I avoiding that I need to face? Am I leading with fear or with faith? The answers will tell you everything. Maybe you've been through hell. Maybe life has knocked you flat, but you're still here. And that says something. You've kept showing up when others would have given up. You've rebuilt after losses. You've endured what would have broken most. If that's you, you're already mentally strong. Now it's time to build on that. Time to go from survivor to savage. This world will test you. It will challenge you, but it will also reward those who refuse to fold. So stand tall, think strong, move bold. Your mind is your weapon. Sharpen it, train it, trust it. And if this message hits you in the gut, if it lit something up inside you, do me a favor. Like this video, drop a comment with where you're watching from, and most importantly, subscribe to Fearless Drive for more warrior level motivation every single week. You're not weak, you're not broken, you are rising, and the world better get ready for the strength that's about to walk in.